This is TechCrunch. NASA and Google are building an AI medical assistant to keep Mars-bound astronauts healthy. I'm Imran Sheikh, and grab yourself a Mars bar because it's your daily crunch for Saturday, starting right now. Tesla is breaking up the team behind its Dojo supercomputer, ending the automaker's play at developing in-house chips for driverless technology, according to Bloomberg. Now, Dojo's lead, Peter Bannon, is leaving the company, and the remaining team members will be reassigned to other data center and compute projects within Tesla, per Bloomberg's reporting, which cited anonymous sources. The disbanding of Tesla's Dojo efforts follows the departure of around 20 workers who left the automaker to start their own AI company called Density AI. The new startup is reportedly coming out of stealth soon and is building chips, hardware, and software that'll power data centers for AI that are used in robotics, by AI agents, and in automotive applications. Tesla's decision to shut down Dojo, which Elon Musk has been talking about since 2019, is a major shift in strategy. Musk has said that Dojo would be the cornerstone of Tesla's AI ambitions and its goal to reach full self-driving due to its ability to process truly vast amounts of video data. He talked about Dojo, albeit briefly, as recently as the company's second quarter earnings call. Well, looks like the mystery buyer of the former General Motors factory owned by Foxconn in Lordstown, Ohio, is apparently, drumroll please, SoftBank, according to Bloomberg News. Now, SoftBank wants to use the factory to build AI servers as part of the Stargate data center project being spearheaded by the Japanese conglomerate OpenAI and Oracle. The report comes just a few days after Foxconn announced that it had sold the factory along with electric vehicle manufacturing equipment that was inside of it to a buyer it only referred to as Crescent Dune LLC, an entity that was created in Delaware in late July. Neither company immediately responded to requests for comment. Now, it's not clear what this means for Monarch Tractor, a California-based startup that develops electric and autonomous farm equipment. Monarch was the lone customer of Foxconn's contract manufacturing operation at the Ohio factory after the other three of the Taiwanese tech giant's prospective customers went bankrupt. Foxconn bought the factory in late 2021 from electric vehicle startup Lordstown Motors. As human spaceflight missions grow longer and travel farther from Earth, keeping crews healthy gets a little bit more challenging. You see, astronauts on the International Space Station can depend on real-time calls to Houston, regular cargo deliveries of medicines, and a quick ride home after 6 months, give or take. Well, all of that may soon change as NASA and its commercial partners, like Elon Musk's SpaceX, look to conduct longer duration missions that would take humans to the moon and Mars. And that looming reality is pushing NASA to gradually make on-orbit medical care more Earth-independent. One early experiment is a proof-of-concept AI medical assistant the agency is building with Google. The tool, called Crew Medical Officer Digital Assistant, CMODA, is designed to help astronauts diagnose and treat symptoms when no doctor is available or communications to Earth are blacked out. Not exactly the emergency medical hologram, but close enough. The multimodal tool, which includes speech, text, and images, runs inside Google Cloud's Vertex AI environment. The project is operating under a fixed-price Google public sector subscription agreement, which includes the cost for cloud services, the application development infrastructure, and model training. David Crewley, customer engineer at Google's public sector business unit, told TechCrunch. Now, NASA owns the source code to the app and has helped fine-tune the models. The Google Vertex AI platform provides access to models from Google and other third parties. Crewley was vague about whether Google intends to pursue regulatory clearance to take this type of medical assistant into doctors' offices here on terra firma, but it could be an obvious next step if the model is validated on orbit. Perhaps this will be the new Tang. And we'll wrap up with some news from the world of startups. Financial services provider Brex on Thursday announced that it achieved a major milestone. It's now licensed in the European Union. That means it can now directly issue credit and debit cards and offer its spend management products to any business in all 30 EU countries with no workarounds required. While the corporate spend management startup previously supported 60 currencies in 200 countries, it could only sell its products to companies with a U.S. presence. And Meta has acquired AI voice startup Waveforms for an undisclosed sum, the information reports. It's the company's latest buy to strengthen its new AI unit, Superintelligence Labs, and Meta's second major AI audio acquisition in the last month after it bought Play AI. Waveforms, founded just 8 months ago, raised $40 million from Andreessen Horowitz in a round that valued the company at $160 million pre-money, per PitchBook data. And that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Rebecca Bellan, Sean O'Kane, and more beautiful, lovely TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here next week, and until then, find us at TechCrunch.com.